Did you know that cats actually like to greet you by scratching something? Our cat, Mocha, loves this cat scratcher, and she likes to say hello every time we come home from work or when we wake up in the morning. Is your couch covered in cat protective tape? Because your favorite feline friend loves to scratch it. I've tried this tape, aluminum foil, but so far my favorite solution is this cat scratcher wrap. Our cat Mocha loves to scratch at the corners, so we decided instead of keeping this gorgeous aluminum foil up, that we would add another scratcher wrap. We loved how it actually made our IKEA couch look even nicer, and maybe one day we will be able to wrap the entire couch with it to keep it completely uniform. First thing is to line up where you want to put the cat scratcher wrap in place. Hold it up, and you're going to use the upholstery pins that were provided and twist them into the furniture. The spiral helps keep it tight to the furniture and helps prevent it from being pulled off. So I started at the top and then just carefully lined up the bottom. If you're placing the two wraps adjacent to each other like mine, I recommend butting them up to create more of a seamless transition. When moving on to the next pin, you really want to hold the mat as tight and taut as possible against your couch. Remember, this is a product that's going to be continuously pulled on, so whether it is the actual scratcher itself might be pulling from the couch, or just my couch fabric getting looser from the constant tugging, I feel that something will eventually loosen. Here's a tip on how to insert the upholstery pins. Find a spot in between the two bamboo slots and press it in at an angle. Then you're going to twist and kind of move the entire pin around until the pin head sits flat against your mat and couch. If it's a little difficult to grip, I recommend grabbing a pair of needle nose pliers, something that has grooves in it so it can really grab hold of the upholstery pin head as you twist it around. The process of putting this on your couch, I really don't think there is a right or a wrong way, but I decided to pull it taut and put the end pins in first because I wanted to space the pins out evenly for what they gave me. Then I bought an extra set of pins so I can really press it in every corner, keep it extremely taut, and have a bunch left over in case anything needed adjustment in the future. Here's a happy Mocha enjoying her new cat scratcher, giving us a nice greeting in the morning. And you can see how well the mat is holding to the couch.
Good girl.